how to transfer money from USA to Europe. Now we will use the Remitly. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from your first $1,000 without any fee. Now, first of all, select the destination that you want to transfer from. For example, in this case, it will be United States. Now, in the two, select the country in the Europe. Now, any country in Europe, for example, Georgia or like France, or make sure to select the country in the Europe. For example, in this case, it will be France. Now enter the amount that you want to transfer, for example, $1,000, and now click on get this rate. Now log into your account. And now after that, if you don't see your recipient destination, just click here and re-enter it. In this case, it will be France, because we want to transfer that money to Europe. Now after that, click on send money. Now, as you can see, this is the amount that you want to transfer, for example, or in this case, it will be $1,000. Now select the payment method if you want to pay by bank, as you can see, or pay by card. Now, after that, click on continue. And as you can see, the delivery method, for example, bank deposit or cash pickup, select one of these. I will use the bank deposit. Now click on continue. And now select the recipient bank. In this case, it will be the BNB Paribas. Now provide the IBAN. I will just provide it and click on continue. Now provide the recipient name. And now if you want to provide the recipient mobile number to receive the notification, you can. If you don't, click on skip. Now, as you can see, the reason for sending, select the family support and click on continue. And now the final step is by adding a new card and click on continue. Now make sure to provide your debit card information to be able to transfer the money from. And after that, click on next. Now make sure to double check your information of your debit card to be able to transfer that money. And after that, your recipient will receive the money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Europe on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.